Water is the cornerstone of life. When we turn on the tap and watch the clear water flow out, perhaps few people realize that this seemingly ordinary drinking water, from the water source to the tap, faces many safety threats in every link. The wanton discharge of industrial wastewater, the residual penetration of agriculture pesticides, the random dumping of domestic sewage. These killers hidden in the dark are always coveting our drinking water safety. In this smokeless battle to protect water quality, sensors are like loyal technology guards, using their precise sensing capabilities to build a solid safety line for us. In the field of water quality monitoring, sensors are like scouts with eagle eyes and golden pupils that can accurately capture various invisible changes in water. The residual chlorine sensor is an important member of this group, which constantly monitors the residual chlorine content in the water as a common method of disinfecting drinking water. Residual chlorine is like a double-edged sword. When used in moderation, it can effectively kill bacteria and microorganisms and ensure drinking water safety. But once it's excessive, it will cause potential harm to human health. The residual chlorine sensor uses precise detection to keep the residual chlorine content in a safe range at all times, which not only plays a disinfecting role, but also avoids the risk of excessive amounts. The dissolved oxygen sensor is like breathing monitor for water bodies, reflecting the self-purification ability of water bodies. Sufficient dissolved oxygen can keep water bodies alive, enhance their self-purification function, and make drinking water fresher and cleaner. When the dissolved oxygen content changes abnormally, the sensor will send a signal in time to remind people to pay attention to the water condition and ensure that drinking water is always in good condition. The pH sensor is like an acid-base balancer for water quality. It focuses on detecting the pH value of water. The appropriate pH value is an important indicator of high-quality drinking water. Water that is too acidic or too alkaline may have adverse effects on human health. The pH sensor always protects the acid-base balance of water quality, so that the pH value of drinking water is stable within a range that is beneficial to human health. Turbidity sensors are the clarity supervisors of water quality, which closely monitor the amount of suspended particles in the water. The increase of suspended matter in the water will not only make the water turbid, but also carry various harmful substances. Turbidity sensors help us to understand the changes in water clarity in a timely manner through accurate measurement of turbidity, and refuse turbid and unclean water from entering our lives. Ammonia nitrogen sensors are like vigilant pollution sentinels, which specifically monitor the content of ammonia nitrogen in water. Excessive ammonia nitrogen will not only lead to eutrophication of water bodies and damage the water ecological environment, but also cause harm to human health. Ammonia nitrogen sensors always stay at their posts. Once abnormal ammonia nitrogen content is found, they will issue an early warning to prevent ammonia nitrogen from posing a threat to drinking water safety. In water plants, sensors are even more useful. They are like a strict monitoring network, covering all water treatment links from water source intake to sedimentation, filtration, disinfection, etc. At the water source, sensors monitor the water quality of raw water in real time and find possible pollution sources at the first time. During water treatment process, different sensors test the water at each treatment stage to ensure that each step of the treatment achieves the expected effect. Before leaving the factory, sensors conduct a comprehensive test on the water quality again. Only when all indicators meet the strict drinking standards can the water be delivered to thousands of households. It is precisely because of the existence of these sensors that we can enjoy clean drinking water without having to worry about water quality safety. They are the loyal guardians of drinking water safety, using precise perception and scientific monitoring to safeguard our healthy lives and keep the source of life pure and vibrant.